In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix a headset software issue where your device is not being recognized by the companion software. Whether you're using a gaming headset, wireless headset, or USB headset, these troubleshooting steps can help get everything working properly again. So the first thing that you need to do is to disconnect and reconnect the headset. So start by unplugging your headset from your computer. If you are using a wireless headset, disconnect the USB dongle as well. Wait about like 10 to 20 seconds, then reconnect the headset directly to your computer. Avoid using USB hubs or extension cables during troubleshooting. And once connected, check if the headset software detects your device. And then do not forget to update the headset software, because an outdated version of the software may not properly detect your headset. So I need you to visit the manufacturer's official website and download the latest version of the headset software. And of course, you need to install any available updates and restart your computer if prompted. And then you need to check your device manager. On Windows, press Windows button plus X control and select Device Manager. Expand sections such as audio inputs and outputs, sound, video and game controllers, and universal serial bus controllers. Now, if you see a warning icon next to your headset, right-click it and choose Update Driver. You can also uninstall the device and reconnect it to allow Windows to reinstall the drivers automatically. And of course, after that, don't forget to update the Windows. Keeping Windows up to date can fix compatibility issues, so I want you to open the settings, go to Windows Update, and install any available updates. Restart your computer after the updates finish installing. And then, it's also important to understand that you need to check for firmware updates. Many headset brands provides firmware updates through their software. If your headset appears intermittently or has connection issues, install any available firmware updates to improve compatibility and performance. And then finally, test the headset on another computer. If the software recognizes the headset on another system, the issue is likely related to your original computer software or drivers. Now, if the headset isn't detected anywhere, there may be a hardware problem with the headset itself. These are going to be the most effective ways to fix a headset software that isn't recognizing your device. In most cases, reconnecting the headset, reinstalling the software, or updating the drivers resolves the issue quickly. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.